Good morning, teachers. As always, I hope you had a wonderful weekend and that your work week is off to a great start. Should be for all of you who are teaching in the United States. A short week due to the holiday. Apologies to our colleagues from Canada. I believe that you celebrated your Thanksgiving on October 11th. I'm still getting used to the diverse population of students in this course, and again, apologies for not recognizing that holiday for you earlier. The university will be closed the majority of this week due to the holiday, and for that reason, and the fact that most of you will probably be covered up with travel and preparing for Thanksgiving and spending that time with your families, we have, as I said again, a short week that's been on the calendar, which you can find on the syllabus since the beginning of the semester. And so we're just going to be wrapping up our ISM paper. The description of that is at the top of Moodle in the ISM paper folder. Someone asked if you could use a tool like I'm using, like Screencast-O-Matic, to do that. Absolutely, a great tool to use. Even though the university is going to be closed, I'll be checking my email. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them of me. If you need to meet on Teams, I'll make time to do that. You can submit your ISM paper presentation at the top of Moodle. There's a spot to do that as well. Final shout out to course evaluations. If you haven't done those, it looks like we're at a little over 60%. Those will close this evening at midnight tonight. So if you haven't done those, please take the time. It won't take but a couple of minutes to complete your course evaluations. That said, I'll close. We'll resume our normal agenda with the overview of our readings from last week, from Restoring Opportunity and Teachers and Change Agent. We'll resume that agenda next week. But in closing today, I'll just say happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Safe travels, and have a wonderful and hopefully restful weekend with your families. Okay, take care.